how to redeem digital codes on Amazon, or how you can redeem gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your digital codes on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, it depends upon what you're talking about. So if you're talking about actually purchase a digital code of some other platforms from Amazon, you have to redeem those codes in those platforms and not on Amazon. For example, if you purchase, let's say, Starbucks gift card from Amazon, right? You don't redeem them within Amazon, you redeem them on your Starbucks website or the application or whatever else after you receive the code. This tutorial only applies to those who have their Amazon gift card, not other gift card but Amazon gift card, and that they want to redeem it either on their website or either on their application. So it's very simple to do that. What you need to do is just go ahead and launch the Amazon shopping application. Then as you launch the Amazon shopping app, you'll be able to make sure that you sign into your account, and you'll see this kind of interface where you have to just tap on the account icon, which is at the bottom of the screen. And then once you tap on the account icon over here, you'll find the option called your account, which is at the very top right. So just tap on the your account button. So right over here, you'll be able to see all these sorts of information where you have to look for the option called manage gift card balance. Under the payment section, you will be able to find the option called manage gift card balance. So just tap on them. Once you tap on the option called manage gift card balance, you'll be able to see your gift card balance over here. So if you want to redeem a specific gift card, it's very simple. Just tap on the redeem another gift card button here. It will take you to a page where you can simply scan your claim code, or then you can simply enter those codes manually. Once you enter your gift card code manually, in this case, all you have to do is just tap on the apply to your balance button, which is at the bottom of the screen, and if your codes are correct, your digital codes will be successfully redeemed on Amazon. That's all it takes to redeem gift card on Amazon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.